Hi again, baby girl. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Oh, it's funny, isn't it? It's funny to see yourself. Are you playing with your toys? Can you get your birdie? Yeah! Oh, look, there you are, again in the mirror. Oh, that's so funny. Look, that's you. Do you see you in the mirror? That's exciting, isn't it? It's exciting, huh? Now you're boxing your birdie. Who is that other baby? Do you see that other baby? Oh, in the mirror? Who is that? Is that you? Say hi, baby. That is you, isn't it? That's exciting, huh? Are you making faces at yourself? Oh, that's pretty funny, huh? Is it funny? That excites you, doesn't it? Look at you kicking. Hitting your birdie. It's pretty funny, isn't it? You like your toys? Kicking those feet? Are you talking to the baby in the mirror? Is the baby talking back? Baby. Now what are you looking at? Is that your birdie? You looking at the lights? Bless you. Oh, we don't trust that birdie. We don't trust that birdie. This is a fun game, huh? It's exciting, isn't it? You're excited, aren't you? Are you excited? There's that baby again. Oh, do you see your mama? No, you see the baby. You're gonna kick your giraffe? Soraya. Vibrating. You feel the vibrator? There's a giraffe and it vibrates, huh? Weird! Oh, yeah! You got that. You got that. Yeah. There's that baby in the mirror. Are you dancing to the music? We'll try something new. Let's try something.